Hello, I'm Dr. Jesse Ehrenfeld, Director of the Advancing a Healthier Wisconsin Endowment. It is my pleasure to announce a call for applications for AHW's MCW-Led Seed Grant funding. At AHW, we are driven by a vision for a healthier Wisconsin. As Wisconsin's largest health improvement philanthropy, AHW propels the most promising work and ideas to improve health and advance health equity in Wisconsin today and for generations to come. AHW Seed Grant funding for MCW-led projects support MCW faculty to develop new approaches, test innovative ideas, and foster greater collaboration to build a foundation for future efforts to address Wisconsin's leading health challenges. Funded projects may focus on one of four key areas: basic science research, clinical science research, population science research, or efforts to advance MCW's health workforce education and development efforts. We're inviting applications that clearly identify a health need or a gap in knowledge or practice, and then propose research methods to test a novel approach to address the gap and inform future efforts to improve health and health equity here in Wisconsin. We've invested in many such projects that can serve as inspiration for researchers looking to advance a promising idea as a starting point for additional research and impact. For example, a study team identified a novel molecular mechanism impacting heart disease, which is fueling publications to disseminate the work and grant applications to support additional studies. A primary investigator is piloting a model to determine the feasibility of launching a concussion guidance and education program for primary care and pediatric providers statewide to improve patient access to the most up-to-date care for concussions. And an investigative team aims to address health inequities and inspire the next generation of health leaders through educational outreach for K through 12 and college students to create immersive educational opportunities and interactions with healthcare professionals. These projects and many more are testing novel ideas with the hope that new practices can be developed and expanded upon to improve health well beyond AHW's investment. Does your research idea have the potential to improve health outcomes or advance Wisconsin's health workforce? If so, this is your chance to receive funding for up to $50,000 for a project that can be completed during a 12-month period beginning on January 1st. Applications for AHW grant funding must be submitted by an MCW principal investigator who is full-time or full professional effort MCW faculty with the rank of assistant professor, associate professor, or professor, and who has a primary appointment in the School of Medicine. Collaborative submissions that include co-investigators and collaborators that bring essential expertise and experience to effectively carry out the proposed project are, of course, encouraged. Want to learn more about this exciting funding opportunity? You can start by visiting our website to learn more about the requirements and the timeline associated with this grant funding, and to connect with AHW to discuss your project idea, the application process in greater detail. Note too, we are more than happy to review your draft submission prior to the application deadline and offer feedback to help your team submit a competitive proposal. Thank you for your interest in AHW's seed grant funding opportunity for MCW-led projects. We look forward to learning more about your work and partnering with you to improve the health of our friends and neighbors here in Wisconsin.